Well, Swansea's preparations for the new season suffered a hiccup with defeat to Championship club Bournemouth. Bournemouth were ahead on 28 minutes. Simon Francis's cross finding Mark Pugh. Pugh added a second for Bournemouth shortly before half-time. Well, things just got better as Bournemouth were awarded a penalty on 53 minutes. Brett Pittman scoring the penalty. A new signing, Jefferson Montero, pulled a goal back for an inexperienced Swansea side, but 3-1 it finished.
At the moment we feel good. We feel like we've done a lot of work. Players' attitude to their work's been spot on. I think the acid test is when you start the season. I don't think you ever quite know. And pre-season is only a gauge. It's not really the definitive answer. So we feel we've put ourselves in a good position to have a good season, and hopefully we can follow that through.